Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to answer the question that I know a lot of you have been asking. It's been tons of comments about this, and that is Kodi. Is Kodi still relevant in 2024? Is Kodi legal? Those are the two questions I get the most on this channel. So in today's video, I'm actually going to cover, is Kodi legal? I do have another video coming soon about relevancy and how to access content and all that stuff. It is completely legal to own Kodi. So I'm going to just answer that right now. It is a completely open source media player. It's all it is. And it is a public company. So nonprofit public company, in fact. So it is completely legal to own Kodi. You can add it to any Android device. So if you are new to the world of streaming, you could add Kodi to Android phones, Android tablets, Android boxes, but you can also put it on, you can sideload it on things like Firesticks or Raspberry Pis. And there's actually quite a few different devices that you can put Kodi on. So why would you want Kodi? Well, Kodi has been around for a very long time, as many of you know, and it is a great open source player. And they're updating it all the time to make it better all the time. So I used Kodi years and years ago, 10 plus years ago I used Kodi. I don't use it as much anymore, but it's still relevant in 2024. And so what happens is people are wondering, is it legal? Because how are you getting all this content? Well, it is legal, but what is not legal is profiting from it. So what happens is people are buying I'll just give an example. They're buying a Fire Stick and they're loading it up with Kodi, and then they're adding what's called plugins. Now these plugins are where you're getting content. The problem is a lot of those plugins that you put into the Fire Stick, into Kodi, are copyrighted. They don't own the rights to that content, and that's where they get in trouble, guys. So basically they're selling and profiting from something they don't own. That is an illegal thing. You're going to go to jail if you do that, guys. So don't go out, buy a Fire Stick, put Kodi in, put some plugins, and sell the Fire Stick for more. Don't do it, guys. Trust me, it's not worth it. People have gone to jail for it. In fact, there's even YouTubers out there that show you how to get plugins on your Fire TV Stick and how to fully load these things. They get in trouble as well, guys, because they're profiting off of Google Ads on that same concept. So that's why most of my videos are about legal stuff. So you'll see I do a lot of legal apps, but on this channel, I will tell you, I can show you how to put Kodi on your devices because it's legal. There's nothing wrong with Kodi. As far as plugins go, I'm not going to do it on YouTube. It's not worth it. There are other YouTubers that do. Most of them get shut down. But you can just do a simple Google search or go to Reddit. In fact, you could even search Kodi and the legality of Kodi. You just type in Google right now, is Kodi legal? And you'll find out right off the bat that it is a public company, open source, 100% legal. Plugins are tricky, guys. Plugins are something that some guy in a basement may have created that gets you all this content that they don't own. So you got to be really careful when you add plugins into your Kodi, whatever Kodi you have, whether it's whatever device you have, like a Fire Stick or an Android box. Just be careful with those plugins. Do a little Reddit search. Reddit's a great resource. If you just go to Reddit and type in best Kodi builds or best Kodi plugins, you're going to find all kinds of ways to put stuff together for you because it is legal, 100% legal for you to use it. You just can't profit from it. So if you want to download it, that's on you. If you want to watch the content, you're not going to get in trouble, at least not in the United States. I don't know about other countries, to be honest, but in the United States you won't. I will say one thing before I let you guys go, though. Super important, if you are adding plugins to your Kodi, that you have a VPN. And I know I say this all the time, guys. There's so many benefits of a VPN. It's not just changing locations so nobody knows where you're at or any way of trying to hide yourself. That's not what it's all about, guys. It's all about protection against hackers. It's a protection against pop-ups, redirects, ads. Most of those Kodi builds that you put into your Kodi system on your device is going to have redirects, pop-ups. It's going to steal some data or information. A lot of times they'll ask for your credit card, say just to verify you. That's a scam, guys. You've got to be super, super careful. You won't get those pop-ups or redirects if you have a good VPN. The one I personally use is ExpressVPN, and I'll put a link in the description section if you want to check it out. They have like a free trial. I think you get 3 free months with my link. So if you want to give it a go and try it, it's really inexpensive, totally worth it. But I've been using it for years. If you've watched my channel for years, you know that's the VPN I use. And when I use things like Kodi or all these other third-party apps, I don't get pop-ups, I don't get redirects because I have a VPN that blocks those. Very few VPNs will actually block those pop-ups, redirects, and ads. Super important. You could get a free VPN and then you can get an ad blocker and hope that they work together. They don't always. Usually they don't work well together, so I just get one that has everything. It's easy, and I like easy. Guys, I just wanted to quickly answer the question I get a lot and do a little video for you guys, and that is Kodi legal? 100% yes. Can you add builds and watch it? Sure, you absolutely can, at least in the United States. I don't know about other countries. Plugins are where it's tricky. Don't sell fully loaded Fire Sticks. Trust me, there are tons of videos on YouTube about people that got arrested. You can watch those all you want. I don't like to do those kinds of videos, but I will tell you, you definitely don't want to sell something you don't own. That's against the law pretty much in any country in the world. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks again, guys. Bye.